What is up everybody, my name is Jamie and this is my YouTube channel. So if you're new to the YouTube channel and you like shitboxes like the Seicento or an awesome car like the VTEC Mini, make sure you subscribe and follow along on the videos. So in today's video we are heading over to Aaron with the 300ZX and we're going to get them goddamn side skirts off. We're going to cut them off and see what's underneath. He's already started to angle grind stuff off and weld the holes that are on the floor, so he has a bit of that done. So unfortunately we didn't get to see that. Just get this into the car and get over to him and have a look.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay that, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back, I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact, give me one shot and I'll never get it thrown back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes, it makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah.
So the multi-tool, being typical Aaron spec, doesn't have a fuse in it, so I have to find a fuse for the plug. Found the fuse. Don't tiger seal your side skirts on, kids. It's not good. Bye bye side skirts. Some amount of it on it though, isn't it? We got a small little patch already done under there. Looks fairly solid all the way up, like.
Making patches.
Then Marcus, give us that. Wow, that's some serious thickness, like.
Fiberglass, that's fiberglass side skirts.
It's the rubber though, it's the whatever they used. What do you think they used?
Fucking devil juice.
Devil juice, look at the thickness of that. It's like
Whatever
fucking
it
5
is,
mil.
Fucking shite.
It's like 5 mil of whatever the sealant they used to stick the skirts on. Yeah. So yeah, Aaron didn't want to whack the side skirts off because he actually wanted to keep them because they are nice, but the sails actually look alright. They do need to be ground down, cleaned and primed and shit, so I'm just gonna whack the rest of this stuff off, but it is looking clean underneath. At least the floor is minter. Get this part off now and we're good. That's all taken there. Aaron's just marking out the metal for that cut there. All that shit's going in the bin. I'm gonna clear over all this shit, get all that out of the way, and then I'm gonna start ripping all the suspension off the car because it's going to get sandblasted and painted. You're doing it all purple, are you? I told him to do it all purple, it'd be savage looking on the car. Black with purple is cool, but all this shit needs to come off.
All going black.
Black and yellow. Oh, Bumblebee. Aaron wants to do black and yellow. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Now over here is ready for Aaron to weld. All clean, ready to rock and roll. Let's get this patch in where you can literally go, literally hand the phone to myself all the way through and around. Ooh. That's going to be it for the 300ZX update for today. I've smashed my finger, it's really sore. It's horrible. But we'll roll on to another video tomorrow with the 300ZX, as I didn't realise how much I recorded. We actually got a good bit of work done on the car, welding. Yeah guys, thanks for watching, appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe and be dedicated. Peace out, we'll see you in the next one.
Get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed, baby I'm bad, baby I'm bad.